Welcome to the world of Canva AI. In 2025, this powerful tool revolutionizes how we design and create digital products. Let's dive into current market trends. Understanding consumer demand for digital products will position you for success. Identifying your niche is crucial. Craft unique designs that resonate with specific audiences. When designing with Canva AI, focus on simplicity and effectiveness to create striking visuals rapidly. Explore these popular product ideas, ebooks, social media templates, and more to spark your creativity. Setting up your store is easy. We'll explore effective platforms to sell your digital creations. Marketing is key. Let's discuss strategies that will attract buyers to your fantastic products. Utilizing social media effectively can boost your sales. We'll learn how to make the most of these platforms. Looking to scale your business? We'll go over tips to expand your digital product line successfully. In conclusion, future-proofing your digital design business starts now with Canva AI. Embrace these tools and thrive.